On January 12, 2025, a massive fire broke out at Shri Banke Bihari Aromatic Chemicals in Greater Noida. Officials say by a possible short circuit. Stored chemical fueled rapid explosions. The blast rocked the area and took 32 fire trucks and 10 hours to control the chaos. Miraculously, no casualties were reported, but the fire caused significant damage to the plant and its surroundings. Firefighters faced numerous challenges, including multiple explosions and the rapid spread of fire due to volatile substances. The lack of casualties is fortunate, but it should not overshadow the need for stringent safety measures to prevent such incidents in future. So why did it happen? Faulty wiring in a high-risk environment. No flame-proof infrastructure, inactive fire detection or suppression system, poorly ventilated chemical storage. The air filled with vapors of carcinogenic like benzene and toluene. Nearby fields, cattle sheds, all exposed. Yet, no public health notice, no accountability. What should have been in place? Vapor leak detectors, automated foam sprinklers. Industrial safety isn't a luxury, it is a necessity. Ignore it and communities pay the price in smoke and sorrow. Hit like, share this video and leave your thoughts below. Until then, stay alert, stay informed. My name is Ajay. Thank you very much.